Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to take profit on Robinhood options. Taking profit is a crucial aspect of options trading, and understanding the process can help you maximize your gains. To begin, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed and an account set up. First, navigate to the options trading section of the app. This can be found by selecting the stock you want to trade options on and then clicking on the Trade button. From here, select the Options tab and choose the type of option you want to trade, either a call or put. Once you have bought an option, you can monitor its performance in the Portfolio section of the app. When your option increases in value, you can take profit by selling it. To do this, go to the Portfolio section, find the option you want to sell, and click on the Sell button. You will then be presented with a screen that shows the current market price of the option. You can choose to sell at this price, or set a limit order to sell at a higher price. Setting a limit order allows you to specify the minimum price you are willing to sell at, and the order will only be filled if the option reaches that price. It is essential to keep in mind that taking profit too early can result in missing out on potential gains, while taking profit too late can result in losses if the option decreases in value. To avoid this, set clear profit targets before buying an option, and stick to your plan. Another key concept to understand is assignment. When you sell an option, you are obligated to buy or sell the underlying stock if the option is exercised. To avoid assignment, make sure to close out your position before the option expires. Best practices for taking profit on Robinhood options include setting clear profit targets, monitoring your positions closely, and being disciplined in your trading. It is also crucial to educate yourself on options trading and to never risk more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, taking profit on Robinhood options requires a solid understanding of the options trading process and discipline in your trading. By following the steps outlined in this guide and keeping best practices in mind, you can maximize your gains and become a successful options trader. Remember to always prioritize risk management and to never stop learning and improving your trading skills.